Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt. Had it soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for 30 plus minutes. Gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Got another large soft style. I think this one might be possibly a Blinkle design. We'll see what the mama has planned. What design's this one gonna be?
Why don't we do I don't know, what do you think, Daddy? You wanna do
Another
like
spiral?
a multiple You wanna do like a multiple bullseye, or you wanna do a spiral?
Let's just do another spiral. We are racing the clock today, people. Sorries. The spirals always come out so good too.
I think the next one we're going to attempt will probably be another peace sign. I think that's what I want to do next.
Oh yeah, we're definitely doing one of those. So.
I'm going to do a peace sign next video. Because I'm kind of getting tired of the spirals myself here.
Well, we've been doing some other ones too.
Yeah.
And we're going to be doing, next dyeing session, I doubt we'll do any spirals. So. Last dyeing session, we didn't do any spirals. Spirals come and go.
True.
But they're always in fashion. You can never go wrong with a spiral, people.
It's the classic.
It is the classic tie-dye. With tie-dye spiral. We love the spiral. Well, I love the spiral. The Babes has pretty much perfected her spiral, I'll say that. Awesome. To the dyeing rack. Oh, yeah, we need our drip tray for what we're doing. And she's already got our colors out here. What colors you got selected for this one, babe?
Hot pink, turquoise, and lavender.
Hot pink, turquoise, and lavender. Cool. Starting off with a little hot pink. So this will be the Blinkle shirt, the blue, pink, and purple. Cool.
And while I got this dye in my hand, I'm just going to go ahead and go across to my other color.
That's smart. Hey, since it's turquoise, does that make it a tinkle shirt? Turquoise, pink, and purple? That even rhymes a little bit, but that sounds even better. Well, not really. Never mind. We'll scratch that. Sorry. These videos are 100% unscripted, folks.
Dadu.
What?
You're just such a dad. You already
I didn't think about it when I said it. It never crossed my mind. I was just like, oh, that sounds cool.
You make dad jokes.
I did. That was an unintentional one, for real. I do normally make jokes like that, but that one was not.
Dad jokes.
That was not intended. I also want to make a crinkle shirt, a cerulean pink and purple. Maybe even do it in a crinkle scrunch pattern.
Is this what you had in mind, Daddy?
I did see that looks pretty good. Blue, turquoise, and now good old lavender. This is pretty much what I had in mind.
Pretty much. That's not very reassuring. That's like a nice way of saying no.
Yes, it is. This is what I had in mind. Pretty much means almost exactly in my book. You'll layer the pink back on afterwards, that'll look perfect.
That's my thought.
Yep. And then we're going to blend that pink on there to help make a good gradient. That looks nice.
Make sure that color is nice and vibrant.
Yep. So we got hot pink, turquoise, and lavender. We ordered a whole bunch of new dyes and restocked all of our dyes, people, and have a whole bunch of new sizes of shirts coming. So we're really elevating the game on our tie-dyes here lately.
And y'all gotta think, we also have full-time jobs.
Full-time jobs and a
6-month-old baby.
Yeah, young child. So we're doing everything we can to keep up. It's been a while since we missed a video though. Daily uploads. So we've been pretty on point about that.
That's all thanks to Daddy over here. He's the one who makes sure stuff gets done.
Yeah, I'm one of those people, if I say we're gonna do something, I try to, if it doesn't happen, it's not because I didn't try. It's because it wasn't possible. If I say I'm going to do something, I do everything in my power to make it happen.
That is true. You do that. In any aspect or area of your life.
In all capacities of my life. It's very important to have
your word.
Good character and word like that, yeah. I don't have much, you know, we're not rich or anything like that, so my word is all I've really had most of my life. But it's always seemed to carry good value.
Hit it one more time with this hot pink. Really bring out that pink color.
Yep.
Oh yeah, that looks real good.
Looks real good.
Oh yeah. This is very Lisa Frank vibes. I'm getting very Lisa Frank vibes from this.
Cool, cool.
Okay. All right.
Alrighty, to the drying rack. Got our drip tray, our drip guard.
Drip, 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 okay.
And there it will sit for the next 24 hours till we're ready to wash it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.